I see the anticipation gleaming in your eyes. And in order not to keep you waiting any longer, her origin remains an enigma, as enigmatic as the origin of the winds themselves. Know the Kabeiroi. Creation enigmatic, medium stone static, ubiquitous yet invisible, energies kinetic, unrivaled art of mankind's 10,000-year civilization. Wind shows, man knows. When science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will advance more in a decade than it has in all the previous centuries of its existence. I cried uncontrollably, as a matter of fact, because I haven't got the guts to tell you. So then it occurred to me, if I were to climb Everest, a little thing like this would be as easy as a walk in the park. I know I should have told you first. It's crazy, I just went. And the whole time, all I can think of, going round and round in my head, rehearsing over and over again, is you and what I'm going to say to you. And suddenly, I'm overcome by the most incredible, life-altering revelation. I've looked death in the face, Barb. What I have to say, looking you in the face, asking you what I'm about to, is still a hell of a lot harder. Of the heroes, and admire their courage as they make the brave choices to become masters of their own destiny. And we feel their pain as they struggle to stay alive through the surrounding world at war. When it comes to survival, all options are on the table. The number one rule of survival is sustenance. Sustaining the flesh and blood of our mortal body that holds us together. Insightful perceptions having shades and contrasts of cross-cultural interpretation that people from one culture or another may not see so clearly. Samothraki may be the wealthiest of Greek islands, with its unique, exceptional, rare and priceless natural resources. Outsiders may see it only as a pile of rocks in the middle of the sea, but the insiders know their challenge is to find the key to unlock the treasures. An irreversible, sacrilegious disaster, destroying pristine and virgin divine nature. Driving late at night on a deserted road. Headed directly into a perfect dark that somehow gets darker. The road, the woods, and the sky all roll up together. Into a huge gateway that's always opening. Just opening as you get there.